Hello to everyone watching this video, and by that I mean absolutely nobody, because nobody watches my videos. Anyways, today I was wondering, why do I not have any friends? I don't have a single friend, and it doesn't make sense. I'm so cool, I'm so awesome, I should have tons of friends. So I started thinking, oh my god, is it because I never leave the house? I haven't left my house in 2 years. Is it because every time someone asks me to hang out, I'm like, no, fuck you, leave me alone? Is it because I'm extremely annoying? But none of these really added up, you know? None of these really seemed like reasons to not have any friends. So I continued thinking. I thinked, and I thinked again. Until I realized, it just came to me. Oh my god, I know why. It is because I don't wear designer clothing. Like, when you look at every cool YouTuber, every cool person these days, they all wear Gucci, Yves Saint Laurent, stuff like that, and I don't do that. I wear Walmart, and that's just not acceptable in this day and age. No one wants to hang out with a guy that wears Walmart. So, I set out to buy some Gucci, to finally be cool. So I went on the Gucci website, Gucci website, I'm here typing around on the Gucci website, and very quickly, I realized that with my salary of exactly $0 per month, I would not afford such items costing $500, $600, $1,000. The prices were just ridiculous. No, it just wasn't gonna happen. So I started crying a little bit. I was like, oh my god, I'm never gonna be cool. I'm never gonna be cool, dude. I'm never gonna be like my idol Rice Gum. But then, as I was looking at her shirt, I realized, oh my god, I can replicate this shirt. I can replicate it for like $5, and it'll be exactly the same thing. I already did it with the Supreme shirt the other day. So now let's just do it with Gucci. Simple as. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And I decided to replicate this one, which is actually a sweater, not a shirt. So my bad for saying it was a shirt just before. So I analyzed the design of this sweater, and I very quickly came to the conclusion that the guy who designed it just went into his little sibling's room, took any shitty drawing he could find in there, then stuck them on a sweater and was like, oh my god, this is genius. I'm gonna sell it for $1,200. That's totally reasonable. So I decided to do the same thing. I went to ask my little brother to draw me some shitty drawings, and in exchange I told him I would give him $5. So he rushed to do it. He did it really fast when I told him about the $5. So boom, just a little bit later, he gave me the drawing. I didn't give him the money. I didn't give him any money. That was so funny. I pranked him so good. Oh my god. He actually thought I was gonna give him money. That was the best prank ever. Oh dude, just rethinking about it, dude, the funniest part was he cried for 3 hours afterwards because I didn't give him the money. Oh dude, that was so good. Anyways, dude, he might actually still be crying because he was crying so much I just chucked him in a closet, closed the closet, and just went on with my life. He was so annoying, oh my god. But anyways, now I have the drawings and I'm gonna show them to you. So the first thing he drew is his favorite thing in the entire world. Me. How cute of him. The second thing he drew is his favorite toy. Yes, he was raised as a true patriotic American. I'm really proud of him for that. The third one is, he told me it was his hopes and dreams. So, very nice drawing, I think. The fourth is the S thing, because obviously he's gonna draw the S thing. The fifth is his favorite animal, an ant. Very boring. Weird kid. The sixth is a flower. How cute. And that's it. So I have the drawings with me right here. And I also told him to make some in doubles because that's how it is on the sweater that I'm replicating. So I'm gonna have to cut them up now. And I'll catch you when I'm done doing that, because that won't be very interesting. Okay, I'm done cutting them. They look pretty good. Look. Here, 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 boom, this big boy, which is me, these, and this. Now it is time to stick them on a sweater. So we got this sweater, and we're just gonna stick them on there with tape, and I will officially have a Gucci sweater. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, it is completed. It looks so incredibly good. I can't believe it, guys. Look, look, a Gucci shirt, a Gucci sweater for only $5, and it looks this good. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I'm gonna wear it. So here I am wearing it. If anyone wants to buy this for 2,000 bucks, I might consider your offers, you know. Probably not, because it's this is high quality. Why would anyone buy Gucci? Like, why would anyone spend 1,200 bucks on this when you can literally just make it in 5 minutes like I did? Here's a closer look. Now let's just finish with photo comparisons of the sweater I made and the actual Gucci one. So as you can see, there's pretty much no difference. You can't even tell which one is the real one and the fake one. I'm gonna tell you right now, the real one is the one on the right and the fake one is the one on the left. You're like, what? What? Oh my God, no, that's not believable. He's lying. How is that even possible? They look so similar. Well, it's the truth, guys. Okay? So next time you want to buy Gucci, don't just make it yourself. Okay, thank you very much. That's the end of the video. Bye.